Question number 23rd. You can see question number 23rd. A, B, two matrices are given. A is equal to 1 0 0 1. B is equal to 0 1 minus 1 0. Show that we have to show that A alpha A small a capital A plus B capital B into A minus B is equal to A square plus B square A. Is it clear? 23 is LHS part. It is given what? A plus B. So I can write A minus B. This same. Plus and minus difference. A square minus B square I can write. A plus B, A minus B. A square minus B square. Here it is A. So A whole square minus B whole square. So it will be what? A square minus B square. B square. Is it clear? So A square. So first I will solve A square. A dot A 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. So it is what? 1 into 1 1. You know identity matrix into identity matrix. You will get same identity matrix. This one 1 into 1 1 plus 0 into 0 0. So 1 into 0 0 plus 0 into 1 0. 0 into 1 0 plus 1 into 0 0. 0 into 0 0 plus 1 into 1 1. So you get this. B square, it is what? B dot B. Here 0 1 minus 1 0. Multiply 0 1 minus 1 0. So you get 0 0 is 0 plus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. 0 into 1 0 plus 1 into 0 plus 0. Minus 1 into 0 0 plus 0 into minus 1 plus 0. Minus 1 into 1 minus 1 plus 0 into 0 plus. You get minus 1 0 0 minus 1. So A square B square both are there. You can substitute here. A square. So multiply with A square. A square 0 0 A square minus B square. So multiply with B square. So minus B square 0 0 minus B square. So you get what? A square minus plus B square. 0 minus 0 0. 0 plus minus 0. So 0. A square minus B square. So A square plus B square. So it is what? A square plus B square common. And this is what? 1 0 0 1. A square plus B square. If I am taking common, here it is A square plus B square. So here it is 1 0. So multiplying with 0, it will be 0 only. So A square plus B square into 1. This is same matrix as A. So it is equal to RHS. So hence proved. Like this you have to solve. Question number 23rd is over. Question number 24th you can try. A is given, prove that A minus 2i into A minus 3i is equal to 4. Or if you want I can do 24th. If you want I can do A minus 2i into A minus 3i. 24th. Okay, I will do this. A is given 4 2 minus 1 1. Prove that A minus 2i A minus 3i is equal to what? A. I can solve this. A square A into A minus 3i. So A into A square A into minus 3i minus A into 3i minus 2i into A minus 2i into minus 3i plus 6i square is equal to what will come? LHS I am solving. A square AI 2IA. I can write what? Minus 3AI or 3IA 3AI minus 2a. I can write like this. You know, lambda is a scalar and a, b, two matrices are there. You can write lambda a of b or a of lambda b. Anything you can write. So you can change 3ai minus 2ai. Or you know, like this also you can say a dot I is what? A only. I will show you 3i 6i square. So you will get here a square ai. Any matrix if you are multiplying with identity matrix, you will get what? Same matrix. So minus 3a minus 2a plus 6i square. I square you do, I cube you do, you will get I only. So plus 6i. So a square minus 5a plus 6i. Substitute the values and solve. A square minus 5a plus 6i. I am writing here. A square minus 5a plus 6i. Solve this. LHS we simplified. Now we are putting this. A square, so 4, 2 minus 1, 1. 4, 2 minus 1, 1. Minus 5 into 8. 4, 2 minus 1, 1. Plus 6 into I means 1, 0, 0. 4 for the 16. 4 for the 16. Plus 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Plus 4 into 2, 8. Plus 2 into 1 plus 2. Minus 1 into 4 minus 4 plus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2 plus 1 into plus 1 plus 1. Minus 5 for the 20, 5 to the 10, minus 5, 5 plus 6, 0, 0. So you get 16 minus 2, that is what? 14 minus 5, 10 minus 1 minus 20, 10 minus 5, 5 plus 6, 0, 0. 14 minus 20 plus 6. 14 minus 20 is what? Minus 6 plus 6. So 0. 10 minus 10. 0 plus 0. 0. Minus 5 minus minus plus 5. Minus 5 plus 5 plus 0. Minus 1 minus 5. Minus 6 plus 6. It is equal to what? Null matrix is equal to RHS. Hence, like this you can solve. Now 25th question. Fifth question you can see. If A is given, A matrix is given 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. Then find K so that A square is equal to Ka minus 2i. A square is equal to Ka minus 2i. A square. 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2 into 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. A square is equal to K. A is what? 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. Minus 2 into I. Identity matrix. 1, 0, 0. 1. Multiply. 3 3s are 9 minus 8. So 1. 3 into minus 2. Minus 6 plus minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. So 3 minus 2. 3 into minus 2. Minus 6 plus 4. So minus 4 into 3. 12 minus 2 into 4. Minus 8. 12 minus 8. 4. 4 into minus 2. Minus 8 minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. So minus 8 plus 4. So minus 4 is equal to K into this. So I can write here 3K minus 2K, 4K minus 2K. Minus 2 on the 2, 0, 0, 2. Multiply with 2. So here you will get 1 minus 2, 4 minus 4 is equal to 3K minus 2 again. Minus 2K minus 0, so minus 2K only. 4K minus 0, so 4K only. Minus 2K minus. We can equate. 3K minus 2 is equal to 1, so 3K is equal to what? 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, so K is equal to 1. 3 by 3, so K value is what? 1. K value only they are asking. 24th question. Then find k. 25th question. 25th question. Answer is 1. 1 only. Solve this. 4k is equal to 4. Then also k is equal to 1. Minus 2k minus 2 is equal to 4. Then also minus 2k minus 2 is equal to minus 4. So minus 2k is equal to minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. Then also k is equal to 2 by 2 1. Here minus 2 is equal to minus 2k. So k is equal to 1. So all you will get k is equal to 1. 25th is over. 26th question. Show that AB is equal to AC. You can prove AB you can multiply and AC you can multiply. It's easy only. 27th question. Show that FA is equal to O where Fx is equal to this. Show that FA is equal to O, null matrix. F of A is equal to O where Fx is equal to this. 27th will do. Question. First part. If A is equal to this, show that FA is equal to O. FA is equal to O, where O is a null matrix of order n. Fine. So where Fx is equal to this, so F of A is equal to O. Okay. So this is given. A matrix is given. 1 2 2 1. Show that FA is equal to null matrix where Fx is equal to x square minus 2x minus 3, x square minus 2x minus 3. So f of x is given. You can write f of A. You can write f of A. Yes, f of A will be what? A square minus 2a minus 3. This is multiplied with identity matrix of order this I n. So here it is what? 2 rows to come. So I 2 A square. So 1 2 2 1. Multiply 1 2 2 1. Minus 2 into 1 2 2 1 minus 3 into I 2. So 1 0 0 1. Solve. Here you have to show that FA is equal to. So FA will be what? F of x is given. So FA will be what? A square minus 2a. Only this constant. It's given 3. It is multiplied with the identity matrix. So 1 into 1 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 4. 1 into 2 2 plus 2 into 1 plus 2. 2 into 1 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 2. 2 into 2 4 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 minus 2 1s are 2 2 2s are 4 2 2s are 4 2 is 2 minus 3 0 0 4 plus 1 5 4 4 5 minus 2 4 4 2 minus 3 0 0. So you get 5 minus 2 3 minus 3 4 minus 4 minus 0 0 4 minus 4 0 minus 0 5 minus 2 3 3 minus 3 is equal to what? O null matrix. Like this you can write solve. It's easy only. Now A is given. Find f of A where fx is equal to this. Fx is equal to this. Second part I am doing. Easy only, same but second part you can see A is equal to minus 1 2 3 1 minus 1 2 3 1. Find f of A. Find f of A when fx is given. Fx is given x square minus 2x plus 3. F of A will be what? A square minus 2a plus 3 into I of order 2 only. A square. So minus 1 2 3 1 minus 1 2 3 1 minus 2 into minus 1 2 3 1 plus 3 into I 2. So 1 0 0. So minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 2 into 3 plus 6 1 plus 6 minus 1 into 2 minus 2 plus 2 into 1 plus 3 into minus 1, minus 3 plus 1 into 3 plus 3. 3 into 2, 6 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. Minus 2 into minus 1, minus 2, 4, 6, 2. Plus 3, 0, 0. 7 minus 2 plus 2, 0, 0, 7. Minus 2, 4, 6, 2. Plus 3, 0, 0. 7 minus minus 2. 7 plus 2 plus 3. 7 minus minus 2. 7 plus 2. 9, 9 plus 3. 12. 0 minus 4. Minus 4 plus 0 minus 0 minus 6. Minus 6 plus 0 minus 6. 7 minus 2. 5. 5 plus 3. This is the matrix you will get while solving f of a. 27 second 12 minus 4 minus 6. 27th is over. Now 28th question you can see. This is easy, you can do by your own if you want. It's given A and I matrix is given. Find lambda and mu so that A square is equal to lambda A plus mu I. Prove that this. If you want to solve, I will solve 28th. First and second part. Okay, I will solve this. Question number 28, first part. A and B first I will write. A is given 2, 3, 1, 2. And I is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. Show that, find lambda so that A square is equal to lambda A plus mu I. A square is equal to lambda A plus mu I. A square so mu1 2. A square A into A is equal to lambda of A plus mu of I. 2 to the 4 plus 3 to the 3, 4 plus 3. 2 3 the 6 plus 3 to the 6. 1 to the 2 plus 2 1 the 2. 1 3 the 3 plus 2 to the lambda into 2 lambda, 3 lambda, 1 lambda, 2 lambda plus mu, mu is the mu, 0, 0, mu. 7, 4, 12, 7 is equal to 2 lambda plus mu I can write. 3 lambda plus 0, 3 lambda only. 1 lambda plus 0, so lambda only. 2 lambda plus mu. Is it clear? So, you can equate 2 lambda plus mu is equal to 7 and lambda is equal to what? 4, or 3 lambda is equal to 12, or 2 lambda plus mu is equal to 7 only. Lambda is equal to 4. Here also lambda is equal to what? Lambda is equal to 4. Lambda is equal to 4, you can substitute here. So 2 4s are 8 plus mu is equal to 7. So mu is equal to 7 minus 8, that is minus 1. Lambda is equal to 4 and mu is equal to minus 1. Lambda is equal to 4, mu is equal to minus 1. Like this you have to solve. Now second part you can see. Prove that a cube minus 4a square plus a is equal to a cube minus 4a square plus a is equal to a is given 2, 3, 1, 2. A cube. So a into a. So 2, 3, 1, 2. 2, 3, 1, 2. 2, 3, 1. A cube minus 4a square. 2, 3, 1, 2. 2, 3, 1, 2 plus 8, 2, 3, 1, 2. You have to prove this. So LHS one solving. Listen to this, I can multiply first. 2 2s are 4 plus 3 1s are 3. 2 3s are 6 plus 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4 plus 3 1s are 3. 2 3s are 6 plus 3 2s are 6. 1 2s are 2 plus 2 1s are 2. 1 3s are 3 plus 2 2s are 4. 2 3 1 2 as it is minus 4. This I can multiply. This will come same. This we are multiplying. So 4 plus 3, 6 plus 6, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 4, plus 2, 3, 1. So you will get here 7, 4, 12, 7. 2, 3, 1, 2 minus 4 into 7, 28, 48, 16, 20. Clear? Plus 2, 3, 1, 2. Multiply this again. 7 2 is 14 plus 12 is 7 3 is 21 plus 12 is 24. 4 2 is 8 plus 7 is 7. 4 3 is 12 plus 7 is 14 minus 28, 48, 16, 28 plus 2, 3, 1, 2. 14 plus 12. What will you get? 26, 15, 45, here 26, minus 28, 48, 16, 28, plus 2, 3, 1, 2. So 26 minus 28, minus 2 plus 2. See. 45 minus 48, minus 3 plus 3. See. 15 minus 16, minus 1 plus 1, 0. 26 minus 28, minus 2 plus 2 is equal to what? That matrix O is equal to RHS. So hence, proved. Like this you have to solve. Now question number 29. These all I will do in next video. Thank you.